All right. Oh, stand. Oh, bullshit. Key on. Second gear. What's up, YouTube? Two Wheels here, back at it again with the dead battery. God damn it! This battery is brand new. So I'm gonna put some gas in this so we could put it in storage and the tank doesn't all rust and shit. And then I'm gonna be on my way. Awesome. On my way to the storage place with the Cbr now, which is less comfortable, but it has a bit more power. This bike is so much smoother than mine, it's unbelievable. All right, let's come here. All right, let's do this. I'm honestly starting to like the Cbr more and more, even the looks of it. Update, yeah, update, because I just talked about not selling this, but like buying this. My mom might not sell this bike. She just got promoted at her job, which is completely awesome, and it also means that she might get more free time to ride this little baby. So I think she's gonna keep it, which, like, it sucks for me because it means I can't buy it, but at the same time, I mean, it's awesome for her because she's gonna get to ride a lot more next year.